Today, I'm going to walk you through our new attendance tracking feature. This lets Takween facilitators record student attendance directly on the platform for each Peekapak session. No more tracking attendance in a separate spreadsheet. This feature is available exclusively to Takween facilitators. Now to get started, I'll log in and go to my library. This is where I'll select the Takween lesson I'm teaching today. From here, I'll click on the Take Attendance button. This opens the attendance tool for this session. And this is the attendance tool. It automatically pulls in every student in my currently selected classroom, and by default, everyone is marked as present. If a student needs to be marked absent, all I have to do is click their name. Let's say this student wasn't in class today. I'll click on their name, and you can see their status updates to absent. If I click it again, or realize I made a mistake, I can simply click it back to present before submitting. Once everyone's status is correct, I'll choose the lesson and click Submit. A confirmation window pops up to double check before finalizing. I'll click Confirm, and that session's attendance is now saved on the back end. Now, let's say I forgot to log attendance yesterday. I can use this date picker to switch to yesterday's date. I'll mark attendance the same way and submit it. This way, I'm never locked in to only logging today's session. Now we can take a look at where all this data goes. I'll head over to the Reports tab. From here, I'll click Attendance Reports. This is a new report type built specifically for this feature. This report will show attendance data for my current classroom in an easy-to-read bar chart. By default, it shows data from July 7th of last year up through today, but I can adjust the start and end dates using these date pickers to narrow in on a specific time range. And that's the new attendance feature, an easy on-platform way for Takween facilitators to track student participation in Peekapak sessions without relying on spreadsheets.